Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 13 and let me share with you how to turn off ads and personalizations. So let's begin with opening the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Google. Let's go to all services, scroll down and find the ads. Basically, in my case, this is removed, but you will see two different options instead of, except this one. It will be Reset Advertising ID or Delete Advertising ID. And I highly recommend to first of all tap on Reset one and then delete it completely. And obviously, it will not get rid of all of the ads which you're seeing during browsing, etc. But it will remove the personalization, so the ads won't be personalized. So it is much better because you will not be forced, let's say, to buy something or enter the advertisement if it is not personalized. So I highly recommend to do that. The second thing which you can do is to actually manage the app's notifications. So let's pretend I'm getting a lot of notifications, advertisements from Play Store. I know we don't get a lot of advertisements from Play Store, but just for the example. Find it, tap on it and hold it, and then enter App Info. Here we've got the option which is called Notifications, so let's enter. And as you can see, this is the whole list of all of the notifications we are getting from this single app. And all I want you to do is to try to find the any kind of category, anything which is connected with the ads. And if you will find it, simply tap on the switcher next to it. And thanks to it, you will be able to simply get rid of the advertisements. Alright, and the last thing which I'd like to show you is to enter the private DNS. So just go to the settings. Right here we have to scroll up to find connection and sharing, and here we've got something called private DNS. So just tap on it, and usually you will be on this automatic option. It will be marked, and all you have to do is to tap on specified DNS right here, just mark it and enter this this name, because it will be completely blank, just www.example.com. So just enter dns.adguard.com and confirm it with OK. And thanks to it, you will get rid of the advertisements. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.